Hi, welcome to Curious Cockatiels. My name's Connie, and today Genesis here is going to be getting a shower. Now, when I bathe Genesis, I usually give him a shower once a week, and he will bathe himself. It's probably the most cutest thing I've ever seen. I have the temperature about lukewarm water, and he'll take a shower between 5 to 10 minutes depending on how long he wants to. In the drying process, you need to let your birds dry on their own. Don't use a towel in case it might hurt them with their feathers when they're very damp. Alright. Genesis is going to be getting a good shower today. Say hi. Can I hold you now? You're going to be happy if I hold you now? There we go. There we go. Now, he'll only take showers for some reason while I'm with him. Anytime I try to put him up to the water, he's terrified. But if he sees me in the water, he's really happy about that. After he's done showering, I like to have a little hanger for him so he can play with his toys